The Chief Electoral Officer has announced a C Vigil app where people will be able to upload model code of conduct violation in the form of pictures, audios, and video, and the flying squad will immediately respond. This time, CEO has also put in place SSTs, which is like Naka Bandi to check vehicles. Also, above 80 years voters and persons with disabilities will be able to vote through postal ballot if they register by 26 January through Form 12B, which will be given to them.
Election Commission has developed one app by the name C Vigil. Anybody can download that app, and if you see any violation anywhere, you can click picture or you can make audio or video recordings, and it gets uploaded directly on the through that app. It gets directly uploaded to the portal where our officers are waiting. As and when any complaint comes, immediately we respond. And to respond to such calls, we have system of flying squads. So for every constituency, we have 2 flying squads in North Goa, and we also have SST. They are stationed at 13 different locations. This is like Naka, which traffic police usually puts, but this time this is for election management. At these SSTs, we have a magistrate or police officer. They check randomly vehicles, people crossing that location. Everything is examined from the perspective of model code of conduct once election is announced. This year, Election Commission has made one special provision for those voters who find it difficult to come and vote at the polling station. 2 important categories are: one is senior voters, those who are above 80 years of age, and second category is of voters with some physical disability. These 2 types of voters have been given the facility of postal ballot. Our team has already distributed Form 12D. Form 12D is basically the application from voter to returning officer to give him facility of postal ballot. Since these voters are already identified and tagged in our electoral roll, we have distributed Form 12D to these 2 categories of voters, and these voters are expected to submit their application from now till 26th of January. All the applications which are received till 26th of January will be considered, and postal ballot facility will be made available to those voters. To take their vote, our polling teams will visit their houses. In our electoral roll database, we have details of these voters and their residential addresses. So our team will visit their residence to take their votes, which will be most likely will start that process around 5th of February and it will go on till 12th of February. We have identified 15,590 voters who are 80 plus years age in North Goa district, and so far we have identified 4,827 voters with physical disability. So around 20,000 voters will avail facility of postal ballot. Form 12B has already been distributed.
Story by William Rodriguez for Herald TV.